Yep, chop it all up little and put it over there on the chopping board, okay? That's it. It's a good knife, that one, isn't it? Well, you got to hold it with the other hand or it'll flap away. That's it. What are you doing? Goodness me. Let's chop it up, mate. That's not how I showed you, is it? That's better. You don't need to be so rough. No, and we don't cut that way either. Turn it back around.
Okay.
Yeah. Cut it nice. Good job. That's it. Yeah, cut the rest up. Yeah, we want it in little pieces, don't we? That's it.
Wait, it doesn't bottom.
Yeah, we're going to put it in the oven in a minute. We've got to cut the pastry and just the eggs. That's it. Use your other hand to hold it.
No.
Or it'll slip away. That's it. That's right. That's it. Good work.
What the hell?
Push it down and give it a wiggle. That's it. Now put it in there. Carefully.
A little bit.
That's alright. That's the oil. That's it. Fix him up a bit. He's a bit wonky. Pull him back up this way, look. He doesn't want to go in there. Alright, do the next one. Do the next one. Squish it down and give it a wiggle. Nope, you didn't squish it enough. Look, it's not cut.
Whoa. Oh, what is that, Mum?
Rightio, put in there. That'll work. Yep. Can you do one there?
Yeah. Oh, hold on.
Give it a little wiggle. No, you're ripping it. You're not wiggling it. Press it down a bit harder and before you start wiggling. Yep,
Whoa.
That'll work. I think. Oh my goodness. Alright, that'll work. Put him in there. Yeah, it's just the oil. Alright, do the next one. Over there. Make sure you push down harder. Push down harder. Push. Push. Yep.
Nice.
Push it again. That's better. Look at that one. Good job. Yep.
Oh, look, bottom.
Alright. Push it down good. That's it.
Oh, hold on.
It's a bit tricky, isn't it? Oops. I know, I was nearly blowing bubbles.
Yay!
Yeah, I know. That'll work. Alright, another one. Yep, that's it. Push it down. Is it going to work?
Yep.
Oh, good work. That's it. Push him in there.
Mm.
We need one more, don't we? Let's see if we can make one out of this. Little bit of bacon, little bit of cheese in each one. Yep, put some in the other ones. Yep, that's enough for that one. Put a little bit in the other ones.
Look there.
Yeah, you can put a little bit of cheese in there.
Oh, there's that, Mum.
Yeah. Now put some in these ones. Little bit of bacon, little bit of cheese. That's a lot of cheese.
Mum.
There's going to be no room for bacon in that one. Little bit, Ryan, little. Yep.
Did Mum?
Okay. And you got to put a little bit of bacon.
Oh, look at that, Mum.
That's a bit too much. That's enough for two. Take some out and put it in the one next to it. That's too much. Look, we only want a little bit.
Look there.
Stop putting cheese in that one. It's got enough.
Okay.
Little bit. Little bit. Look, you've got to fit some in these ones. We only want a little bit.
Look at that.
That one's got enough. Put some in this one. Yeah.
Look at that.
That's it.
Oh, hey, Mum.
Oh, Mum's patience is running out today. Okay, a bit more cheese in that. Oh, hang on. We'll take some out of this one and put in there. All right, now you got to put a bit. No, leave that cheese there. Don't pile that up. We've got to fit some egg in here. And we've got to put some bacon in now. Get the bacon. No, don't pick that up. Just get a little bit like this and put it in there. Get a little bit and put it in. Each one.
Look there.
That one's already got enough. That one's got plenty.
Oh, Mum.
Okay, stay away from that one.
Whoa, look at that.
Put it in. Yep.
Look at that, Mum.
Yep, just get a little bit and put it in another one. Oh, there's that bubble machine. I better move that over there.
Yeah.
Get that out of the way. Yep, a little bit in each one.
Oh, Mum.
Yeah, put it in there. That's it.
Look at that, Mum.
Mm-hmm. Good work. Yep, nearly done.
Oh, hold on. Right there.
Yep,
Look at that.
good job. That's it. It's looking good.
Oh, hold on. Right there. Yes.
You can put a bit more bacon in this one. That's it. Good work. Now we've got to crack some eggs. You ready?
Right.
Whack it a bit harder. No, it's not a ball. You always think that. It was years ago. We tricked you with a ball.
Look at that.
Yeah, I think it needs a little bit more cracking though. That might not be enough.
No.
Oh, well, I'm hanging on. That's it.
Oh.
How you going there? You got it out or what? Hey, get that shell out. We don't have that shell in there.
Oh, get that out.
Goodness me.
Oh.
What are you doing, mate? That's it.
Get done, mate.
Get the next one. Give it a good whack, though. That helps. Whack it harder.
Oh, look at that, Mum.
All right.
Look at that. Hold on.
Serious business, this egg cracking, isn't it? Pull it. What are you doing?
Hold on. Come here.
It's coming, is it? Yay! Whoops.
Oh my God.
Get that shell out, quick.
No.
We don't want shell in there. Get it out.
No.
Get it out.
No.
Ryan, get it out. That's it. Put it over there and crack the last one. Goodness me.
Whoop. Let it go.
Yeah, it's not a ball. Give it a good whack. Give it a good whack. That's better. Good job. All right. You're going to put some cream. You've got cloths over there. Look, they're everywhere. Get a cloth if you want to wipe your hands.
Hey.
You're going to whisk it up. Hold the handle. And then you got to put some cream in there. Put some cream in there and then whisk it again. You're going to mix it all up.
That's
it. Hold the handle. I feel like it's too much cream. We'll see what happens. Oh, that's some good whisking there. Good job. Watch out. How's it looking? Is it mixed up? Was that hard work, was it?
We're gonna try again.
You're going to try again, are you? Alright, I reckon that's pretty whisked. That's pretty good. Alright. Just a little bit. That'll do. Stop, stop, stop.
Ooh.
That's too much. Do the next one. Yeah, it's bubbling. Alright, put some in the next one. Not that much though. Just a little bit.
No, a little bit.
Stop.
Whoa.
Ryan, you're putting too much in. A little bit. Don't fill it up. Stop. That's better. Okay, do the same for these ones. Just a little bit, okay? Little bit. Stop. Stop. All right, you're going to... Little bit. Stop. Yep, do the next one. Little bit. Stop. That's it. No, look, we've got two with no egg now.
Oh.
Oh no, have to try and move that. Hang on. Yep. And you're going to put them in the oven now so they can cook.
Look, go, Mum.
You got them gloves on properly?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
This bottom or that?
Up the top will do.
Up top.
Yep. Watch your hand. Your arm, I mean. That's it. Good work, mate. Yay. Alright, remember it's going to be steamy when you open it. That's it. Now very carefully. Yep, Jack wants some too.
Oh, goddamn it, yes.
You can do it. Put your gloves on properly. Put your gloves on properly. That's it. It's already turned off. Look, I turned it off. It's okay. You can do it. Very carefully. Just grab the edge. You can do it. Ryan, you can do it. It's fine. Here, do you need some help putting that glove on? That's it. Good job. See, you can do it. How good do they look? Oh my goodness. Do they look good?
Mum.
Yeah, we'll let them cool down and then we'll eat one.
Not hot.
Not hot? Is that good, is it? Yeah, I reckon they're pretty good. We'll have to make them again, won't we?
Oh, Mum.
Yeah. You want to share them with Jack?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're still going to share them with Jack? Going to give one to Jack? Oh, that's yours, is it?
Mine.
Yeah, Jack doesn't need one now. He can have one tomorrow morning. Oh my goodness. They are pretty good though, aren't they?